wisdom fills the air, carried in each whispered prayer. And the Lord horns begin to soar, opening every awful door. From the mountains to the sea, love becomes our legacy. Raise your voice and sing with pride, let compassion be your guide. Every child deserves to dream, bright as every island stream. Faith is stronger than the storm, love will always keep us warm. One foundation, one embrace, peace belongs to every place. Island Queen, keep shining bright, guiding hearts throughout the night. Dance until the morning sun, two strong souls become as one. Tape echoes across the shore, calling us forevermore. Roots grow deeper every day, love will never fade away. One rhythm, one heart. Island Queen, forever. One heart. Island Queen, forever. Ooh, yeah. Island breeze, one heartbeat. Love still calling. Morning paints the crystal sea. Every sunrise brings you back to me. Golden light upon your face turns the ordinary into grace. Gentle winds begin to sing, hope inside each note they bring. Every wave that finds the shore makes me love you even more. Hold my hand beneath the sky, where our dreams can learn to fly. Every heartbeat keeps the time, like the rhythm in our minds. Heart still calling out your name, like an everlasting flame. Bassline rolling calm and deep, a sacred promise we will keep. Dance beneath the island moon, morning always comes too soon. Side by side we'll always stand, building hope across the land. Nyabingi drums arise, echo softly through the skies. Ancient voices lead the way, lighting up a brighter day. the branches of the trees. Let compassion guide your way, bringing peace with every day. From the mountains to the sea, love becomes our legacy. Hand in hand we'll proudly stand, healing hearts across the land. Hearts still calling through the night, shining like the morning light. Island rhythms fill the air, joy and blessings everywhere. Taper calls drift with the tide, keeping all our dreams alive. One love rising from the roots, growing stronger with the truth. One love, one rhythm, heart still calling. Forever, forever. Island sunrise, one heartbeat, feel the love. Golden dawn upon the shore, every smile I treasure more. Gentle breeze across the sea brings your sweetest melody. Morning colors softly shine, like your hand wrapped close to mine. Every heartbeat finds its place, safe within your warm embrace. No disguise, no need to hide, truth is glowing deep inside. Step by step we'll find our way. Love grows stronger every day, perfect as the morning sun. Two strong hearts now beat as one, baseline rolling through the night, guiding us with golden light. Dance with me beneath the skies, hope reflected in your eyes. Island winds forever say, love will never fade away. Naya being the echoes rise, calling hope beneath blue skies. Ancient rhythms gently flow, teaching every heart to grow. And our love horns begin to sing, joy in every note they bring. From the mountains to the sea, love becomes our destiny. Raise your voice and sing with pride, let compassion be your guide. Every child deserves a dream, flowing like a mountain stream. Faith is stronger than the storm, love will always keep us warm. One foundation, one embrace, peace belongs to every place. Perfect as the morning sun. across the sea. Golden light surrounding me. Your smile shines like summer skies. Hope reflected in your eyes. Gentle breezes softly call. Love has room enough for all. Every heartbeat finds its place, wrapped inside your warm embrace. Hold me close beneath the sun. Two strong hearts become as one. Every rhythm, every sound shows the love we've truly found. True like the sunrise every day. Nothing takes this love away. Baseline moving calm and deep. A promise we were born to keep. Dance beneath the island sky, where our dreams can learn to fly. Hand in hand we'll always be, growing like the tallest tree. Nyabingi drums arise, echoing beneath blue skies. Ancient wisdom fills the air, carried through each heartfelt prayer. Horn melodies proudly sing, hope in every note they bring. From the mountains to the shore, love keeps opening every door. Raise your voice and let it ring. Hear the island children sing. Every blessing starts with peace. Every act of love increase. Stand together through the years, strong beyond our doubts and fears. Roots run deeper than the sea. Love becomes our legacy. True like the sunrise every day. Nothing takes this love away. Island rhythms fill the night. Hearts together burning bright. Tape echoes across the sea, singing songs of unity. One foundation, one embrace. Love will never lose its place. One rhythm, one soul. True like the sunrise, forever. Feel the island. Island breeze, feel the heartbeat. One love, moonlight dancing on the shore. Your smile opens every door. Golden stars above the sea guide your gentle heart to me. Every whisper rides the breeze, floating softly through the trees. Like the tide that greets the sand, love is written in our hands. No disguise beneath the sky, truth is shining in your eyes. echoing from shore to shore. Ancient wisdom fills the air, carried by each heart that prays. Horn melodies gently rise, painting hope across the skies. Every child deserves to sing, every soul deserves its wings. Raise your hands beneath the stars, healing yesterday's old scars. Stand together side by side, with compassion as our guide. Roots grow deeper every day, lighting up a better way. Faith will carry every heart, keeping hope alive in all. Hidden in the moonlight glow, where our sweetest memories grow. Island rhythms lift us high, like the seabirds learning fly. Take echoes through the night, filling souls with hope and light. From the roots our future starts, one love living in our hearts. One rhythm, one soul. Island forever. Hidden in forever. Hidden in the moonlight. Hidden in the moonlight. Hidden in the moonlight. Oh, island breeze, feel the sunrise. One love, golden sunlight fills the bay, bringing brighter dreams today. Every smile lights up the shore, makes me want you even more. Gentle winds begin to sing, hope in every note they bring. Your embrace feels calm and true, every road leads back to you. Come a little closer now, let the island show us how. Heartbeats moving with the tide, love will always be our guide. Only your heart knows my song, where my soul has belonged all along. Dance with me beneath the sky, like the seabirds learning how to fly. Baseline roll, hearing every whispered prayer on melodies gently soar, opening every hidden door. Roots grow deeper every day, lighting up a brighter way. Lift your voice into the night, every dream deserves its light. Hand in hand we'll always stand, building peace across the land. Faith is stronger than the storm, love will always keep us warm. One heartbeat beneath the sun, many souls can live as one. Only your heart keeps me strong, giving me a place where I belong. Dance until the morning glows, where the island river flows. Tape echoes across the sea, singing songs of liberty. From the roots of future stars, one love living in our hearts. One love, one soul, only your heart forever. Island sunrise, one love, feel the fire. Morning light upon your face brings a calm I can't replace. Island breeze begins to sway, carrying yesterday away. Every smile can heal the soul, making broken spirits whole. Like the tide that meets the sand, hope is written in your hands. Hold me close beneath the sky, where the sea and mountains lie. Every heartbeat knows the way. Love grows stronger every day. Love always wins tonight, burning like the morning light. Move together heart to heart, nothing tears our souls apart. Baseline rolling deep and wide, like the ever-changing tide. When the world feels cold and dim, love will always rise again. Naya Binge goes clear. Calling every heart becomes a flame. Peace and love become our name. Raise your hands into the air. Share compassion everywhere. Every child deserves to dream. Every river joins one stream. Stand together proud and free. Strong as roots beside the sea. Faith and kindness light the way. Brighter with each passing day. Love always wins tonight. Stars above are shining bright. Dance until the dawn appears, washing away all doubt and fears. Hearts are calling, spirits soar, opening every awful door. From the roots our future springs. One love rises, love always wins. One heart, one rhythm, love always wins forever. Forever. Yeah. Island breeze. One earth. Forever. Golden sunrise on your face. Every moment feels like grace. Ocean whispers through the trees, carrying love upon the breeze. Your laughter lifts the morning sky, like seabirds learning how to fly. Every touch brings peace inside, like the calm of the rising tide. Stay right here, don't drift away. Let our hearts decide the way. Every rhythm, every beat brings our souls where love can meet. Forever yours tonight, under stars so bright. Move with me until the dawn. Love keeps carrying us on. Baseline rolling deep and slow, like the rivers always flow. Hand in hand we'll stand as one, shining brighter than the sun. Now your bingy drums arise, echoing beneath the skies. Grace and wisdom fills the air, blessings found in every prayer. On melodies softly call, hope has room enough for all. From the hills down to the soul, love keeps opening every door. Raise your voice, let kindness lead. Every heart can plant a seed. Stand together proud and free, like the waves upon the sea. one soul, forever yours. Island life, forever yours tonight, under stars so bright. Move with me until the dawn. Love keeps carrying us on. Baseline rolling deep and slow, like the rivers always flow. Hand in hand we'll stand as one, shining brighter than the sun. Island sunrise, feel the heartbeat, one love. Golden light upon the bay, your smile chases clouds away. Gentle winds begin to sing, joy in every breath they bring, like the tide that meets the shore. Every day I love you more, roots run deep beneath our feet. Every moment feels complete. Hold me close, don't let go, let the island spirits flow. Every heartbeat finds its rhyme, love grows stronger over time. Closer than the tide and sea, that's how deep you'll always be. Every sunrise, every night, you are my guiding light. Coastline moving through the sand, hope is rising hand in hand. No matter where the journey leads, love is planted like a seed. Nyaya Bingi echoes loud, lifting every soul so proud. Horn melodies greet the sky, teaching weary hearts to fly. Every child deserves a song, every soul should still belong. Peace begins when hearts unite, turning darkness into light. Raise your voice, let freedom ring, hear the mountains softly sing. Every nation, every shore, love can open every door. Stand together side by side, with compassion as our guide. Faith and courage never fade, hope is built by hands we've made. Closer than the tide and sea, you'll forever shelter me. Dance beneath the moon's soft glow, where the island breezes blow. Burn the closer than the tide, forever.
Sun across the bay, washing all the clouds away. Your smile feels like gentle rain, cooling every hidden pain. Golden skies and crystal seas, moving softly with the breeze. Every heartbeat finds its flow, teaching us to take it slow. Stronger every day. Whoa. Naya Bingi calls the soul, making every spirit whole. Thoughts are singing through the air, blessings falling everywhere. Every mountain, every shore shows us what we're living for. Faith is stronger than the storm. Love will always keep us warm. Raise your voice and stand as one, bright as every morning sun. Hope is planted like a seed, growing from each loving. Hand in hand we'll always stay, lighting up a better day. Take it slow, let love grow, like the rivers gently flow. Dance beneath the moonlit sky, lift your spirit soaring high. Every rhythm, every sound keeps our hearts forever bound. Island dreams will always show the beauty found in taking slow. One heart, one love, island forever. Take it slow. Take it slow. One love, oh yeah. Island hearts, oh. Morning paints the eastern sky. Hope is written way up high. Gentle winds call out your name. Every sunrise feels the same. You arrive like summer rain, healing every hidden pain. I feel you near. When the night begins to fade, every promise that we made shines like stars across the sea, guiding you and guiding me. I see tomorrow in your eyes, brighter than the morning skies. Every dream begins to bloom. Love can chase away the gleam. I'm like freedom's lead us home. Never more to walk alone. Heart to heart we'll always stand, building hope across the land. Baseline rolling calm and deep, roots that every soul can keep. Children laugh beneath the sun, many voices beat as one. Every challenge makes us strong, like the rivers always flow. Faith and kindness light the way, bringing joy with every day. Raise your voice and sing with me, like the waves upon the sea. Let compassion fill the air, planting love everywhere. Mountains echo peace and grace. Hope belongs to every place. One foundation strong and true, building something bright and new. I see tomorrow in your eyes, brighter than the morning skies. Dance beneath the island moon, morning always comes too soon. Hands are singing loud and free, like the wind across the sea. Love will always be our guide, with our spirits side by side. Oh, one heart. Tomorrow lives inside our souls. Oh, oh, feel the sunrise, island heartbeat. Love kids calling. Morning paints the golden shore. Every smile makes me want you more. Island breeze whispers through the trees, bringing every heart to ease. Your laughter shines like summer Step into the light with me, where our hearts can finally breathe. Every rhythm tells us true. Love begins with me and you. You're my island remedy, sweetest wave upon the sea. Every heartbeat finds its song right beside where we belong. Bassline rolling deep and free, like the roots beneath the tree. Hope is stronger every day. Love will always find a way. Drums awaken every soul, making broken spirits whole. Voices rising toward the sky, teaching dreams to learn to fly. Every sunrise brings new grace. Peace is written on each face, standing firm through every storm. Love will keep our spirits warm. Raise your hands, let kindness grow. Share the light that we all know. From the mountains to the sea, freedom sings in harmony. One foundation, one embrace. Every culture, every place. Together we can proudly stand, building hope across the land. You're my island remedy, sweetest wave upon the sea. Dance until the morning shines, you're forever heart with mine. The birds are singing through the air, joy and blessings everywhere. Island fire, spirits free, love becomes our legacy. One love, one rhythm, island remedy. Forever, production ways. Oh, island breeze, love is rising. Feel the rhythm, morning light upon the sea. Your smile keeps surrounding me. Golden skies and emerald shores. Every heartbeat opens doors. Gentle winds begin to sing. Hope arrives on every wing. Through the calm and through the rain, love keeps calling once again. Come a little closer now, let the island show us how. Every step and every smile makes forever worth the while. Hey, paradise is calling loud. Lift your spirit above the clouds. Hands together, heart to heart. Nothing ever pulls apart. Ride the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love flows easy through the trees. Every sunrise tells our story, walking side by side in glory. streets, moving gently with the beat. Children laughing, elders pray. Hope keeps growing every day. We stand firm though storms may rise. Faith reflected in our eyes. Peace begins with simple grace. Love can heal the human race. Raise your voice into the wind. Let forgiveness now begin. One foundation built on truth, passing wisdom to our youth. Mountains echo songs of peace. May all suffering finally cease. One heart shining like the sun. Many people live in one. Final paradise is calling loud. Lift your spirit above the cloud. Baseline moving deep and free. Island love our destiny. Motor singing through the night, filling every soul with light. Dance until the morning gleams, living out our brightest dreams. One love, one heartbeat, piloting forever. Paradise calling, yeah. Fade into analog horns and distant ocean waves. Hey, island breeze, feel the fire, love arise. Your smile brighter than the morning sun. Every heartbeat says you're the only one. Ocean winds carry your sweet perfume. Every little step makes my spirit bloom. Your laughter dances across the sea, like paradise calling faithfully. No matter where the road may go, together our love continues to grow. Come a little closer now, no fear, no turning round. Every rhythm tells the truth, love has found its perfect sound. Tonight we light the island sky, hearts together reaching high. Move with me until sunrise, love reflected in your eyes. Every wave keeps calling home, no more standing here alone. One embrace is all we need, planting everlasting seed. Yeah. City lights can never hide the peaceful strength we hold inside. Every dream begins with trust, built on hope instead of dust. Drums are beating through the air, every blessing everywhere. Standing strong through every tide, keeping love our faithful guide. Raise your hands into the breeze, fill the world with harmony. One heart, one soul, let compassion take control. Mountains high and valleys low, together every flower grows. Peace and love shall lead the way, brighter than a brand new day. Oh, sunset painting every way. Your smile carries every dream I say. Island breeze dancing through your hair. Every heartbeat says our love is rare. The ocean sings beneath the sky. Together we'll forever fly. No storm can steal this melody. Your love has become my destiny. Hold me close beneath the stars tonight. Every little touch just feels so right. Our hearts move with the ocean tide, forever standing side by side. Stay with me till morning light, dance beneath the moon so bright. Every heartbeat finds its way, love grows stronger every day. Our souls rise like the morning sun, two hearts beating now as one. Island winds forever say, love will always find a way. Palm trees whisper ancient songs, teaching hearts where they belong. Every promise that we made builds a future none can break. The drums keep calling through the night, filling darkness with pure light. Hope is growing like the sea. Love has finally set us free. Lift your voice into the sky. Never let our dreams run dry. Every sunrise brings new grace. Love forever leads this race. Stand together hand in hand, building peace across the land. One love shining endlessly, living strong and faithfully. Stay with me till morning light, dance beneath the moon so bright. Every heartbeat finds its way, love grows stronger every day. Island rhythms fill the air, joy and blessings everywhere. Hope will never fade away, together forever we'll stay. One love, one heart, island forever. Moonlight promise,